Today's video from CountLab, we're taking a quick look at how to issue a sales refund on your CountLab 7S, 8S or 9S register. In this video I'm using the model 9S, but the process will be the same across the range. So if you're issuing refunds, you need to be in the registration mode, so the standard sales position. And all you need to do is you basically press the RF button first and then enter the sale that you want to refund. So I'll demonstrate now. If you press the pink RF button here, it comes up on the display and says refund. You then type in the amount of money that you wish to refund, so $9.99 for example. No need to enter the decimal point, just like a sale, and then you assign the refund amount to the department that you're refunding from. So department 4 for example, just like a sales transaction. You get confirmation on the display of what's going on, so we've got minus $9.99 from our newspapers department, and then you press the method of payment for how you're issuing the refund. So just like a sales transaction, you can cash off with card or check. So if it's a cash refund, simply press the cash total button. You get a receipt printout like you normally would, confirming what's happened. The drawer opens, enabling you to issue the refund. That's like a sample of the refund, so it's minus $9.99, and it says on the paperwork refund as well, and then obviously this will appear on your end of day report as a refund. So yeah, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of your CountLab 9S and other CountLab cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit countlab.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.